Hello students, welcome in chapter 10, Vector Algebra. Students, today I continue our exercise 10.2, question number 8. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ having P and Q position vector given respectively 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So students, first I made one of the direction P towards Q. P I have 1, 2, 3 and Q I have 4, 5, 6. So what is the direction? PQ. Very easy. Q positions minus P positions. Q I have 4, 5, 6. P I have 1, 2, 3. So our answer is easily ready. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 2, 3 and 6 minus 3, 3. 3 common, 1, 1, 1. But I want to our unit vector. So students, magnitude of PQ 1, 1, 1. It is 3 root 3. And that I consider R. It is magnitude of R. So required unit vector R cap, which is R by magnitude R. What is the R? 3 upon 3 root 3. 3 common and cancel. 1 by root 3. 1, 1, 1. So 1 by root 3I plus 1 by root 3J plus 1 by root 3K. That's the simple answer, students. Now question 9. Question 9 also very easy. Given two vectors, find the unit vector in direction of sum of the both. Yes, for a vector A, you have to 2i minus j plus 2k, and B I have minus I j minus k. Find unit vector in the direction of A plus B. Yes, in the direction of A plus B. One more time check. A 2 minus 1 2 and B minus 1 1 minus 1. So it is simple. First to define A plus B and both added. 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 and minus 1. Just you can add it and you can recombine new vector. So 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 plus 1 0 and 2 minus 1 1. So what's the unit vector now? 1 0 1 in magnitude. And simple going, students, your answer related, your magnitude, it is 1 plus 1 0 plus 1 root 2. So you want to unit vector in directions. So required unit vector in same direction of R cap. It is the answer is R by magnitude R. And what is your R? Which have to 1 0 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2I plus 0j plus 1 by root 2k. That's your simple and easily, students, our unit vector is done. Now continue question number 10. Similar given in the 10th one. Very easy numerical, students. Given vectors, find the vector having magnitude 8 in the same directions. Yes, for a vector, just I given here A, 5i minus j plus 2k. Find a vector in same direction having magnitude, how much? Having magnitude 8 units. Very easy. 5 minus 1 and 2. So I will take first unit vector and after that derive A, its magnitude, means multiply it. Yes students, simple. We going that our vector A, which have to 5, -1 and 2. So students, I taking first its magnitude. It is 5, -1 and 2. So easily the 25, 1 and 4. It have to 30. So what is the unit vector? A cap, A by magnitude A. I have to unit vector 5 -1 2 by root 30. Now wait, and what you get? Having 8 units. So required vector having magnitude how much? 8 units in the same direction of A vector. So that's why I write down 8 times A unit vector. So 8 times you will write down 5 -1 2 by root 30. It is 8 5s are 40 -8 and 8 2s are 16 by root 30. So your answer is 1 by root 30. It get 40i minus 8j plus 16k, and that's your answer students. Simply we derive. Now continue question number 11. In 11, easily moving. Yes, prove that given vectors are collinear. Yes, prove that vector A 2i minus 3j plus 4k and vector B minus 4i 6j minus 8k are collinear. So students, first of all we just defined right for collinearity. So that is your property. If A bar equal to K B bar have K positive in any vector, but K non-zero. Yes, K more than 0, then A and B have in same direction. In same direction. And continue. Second point, if A bar and KB bar have K less than 0, then in opposite directions. Then A and B have in opposite direction. Students, finally, same directions or opposite directions, both of you valid for collinearity. So these 2 points you will cover either this, either that. So you can say therefore A and B are in collinear. If you prove same direction, either in opposite direction, but different direction if you prove, then non-collinear also. So there are 3 types of our directions wise: same directions, opposite directions, and different direction. Same and opposite you cover into the collinear, but different direction cover in non-collinear. Yes, just like a triangle. Now I go to now our solutions. A bar equal to KB bar. What is A? 2 minus 3 4. B minus 4 6 minus 8, and define the value 2 minus 3 4 minus 4k 6k and minus 8k. So students, 2 is equal to minus 4k, minus 3 is equal to 6k, and 4 is equal to minus 8k. K I have minus half, same as minus half, same as minus half. Check, all answer are same and all answer are negative. Yes, it is in opposite directions. If you all answer K same and all are positive, then go to in same direction. But if you K are not same, so you go to both direction. A and B are different directions. And different direction means they are non-collinear. But here our proofing is done. Therefore we can say K is equal to minus of less than 0. So A and B are in opposite directions. Therefore, we will say it is a collinear. Students, again I repeat, you prove either opposite direction, either in same direction. They cover to collinearity. Therefore, A and B are collinear vectors. And here students, your question number 11 is done. Now I am moving ahead. Continue our question number 12. Simple and easily they are. Solutions is easy students. Question number 12. Yes, define the for given vector by the using for your direction cosine. Question 12. Find direction cosine of the given vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Yes, question 12, I plus 2j plus 3k and define direction cosine. Very easy. First time moving there, you are the way of unit vector. Magnitude A 1 2 3, so 1 4 9. Yes, root 14. So unit vector, simply you can define that A cap, A by modulus A. So I have A 1 2 3 by root 14. So 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, and students 3 by root 14. Now I want to direction cosine. So required direction cosine. Very easy. 1 by root 14 comma 2 by root 14 comma 3 by root 14, and that's a students simple and easily your answer. Now continue students, question number 13. Also easy. Question is, yes, A and B given and asking the direction cosine towards the AB. Yes, for 2 points A given 1 2 minus 3 and B minus 1 minus 2 1. Find direction cosine of A to B wards. Yes, direction cosine towards A to B. Here very easily we define that. First of all, A to B directions. First define A, second B. Now I first define direction and then after direction cosine. A I have 1 2 minus 3, B minus 1 minus 2 1. So what is the first direction? It is AB direction, means B direction minus A direction, and you will define simple your answer. B I have minus 1 minus 2 1, A I have 1 2 minus 3, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, and 1 plus 3 4. Now say its magnitude, minus 2 minus 4 4, and magnitude known 4 16 and 16. It is 16 and 16, 32 plus 4 36, 6 only. So what is the unit vector first? AB cap, AB direction by magnitude AB. and that you known properly. Every direction I have -2, -4, 4/6. It means -2/6, -4/6 and 4/6. So your answer is -1/3, -2/3 and 2/3. Simply knowing. So required direction cosine is a -1/3, continue, -2/3 and students +2/3, and that's your easily and simple way your answer is coming. Now 14th one. 14th also same. Prove that given vector are equally inclined with the axis OX, OY and OZ. Yes. Question 14. To prove given a vector which have to I plus j plus k making equal angle with either equally inclined with the axis OX, OY and OZ. It's very easy. It means you define direction cosine with using direction angles, and the alpha, beta, gamma is same. So first of all, my given vector we have to given 1 1 1. Take it magnitude, it is √3. So unit vector a cap, which is a by a modulus 1 1 1 by √3. It means students your direction cosine is done 1/√3, 1/√3, 1/√3. Now I want to direction angle, then they are equally inclined with the all three axes. So direction angle cos alpha 1/√3, this one, cos beta 1/√3, this one, and cos gamma, that one. So alpha is a cos inverse 1/√3, beta cos inverse 1/√3, and gamma cos inverse 1/√3. Check here, all are equal, alpha, beta, gamma. Yes, therefore we can say a bar 1 1 1 is equal angle with OX, OY and OZ. Yes, either you can write down equally inclined with the OX, OY and OZ. Now students, I going ahead, continue question number 15. Yes, 15 also in the same as according to our examples we done last in the interior and exterior students division points. Now students, continue question 15. Find the position vector of R which divides the line joining the segment P and Q, where position vector of P I to j minus k and Q minus I j plus k respectively in the ratio 2:1. But there are two cases, one of the internally and one of the externally. Students, first I start internal division. Yes, in the internal divisions you can just draw our drawing. Here your P, Q, and that's the R. And the P I have known that 1 2 -1. Same Q -1 1 and the 1. And students, R ratio 2:1. You know the property M ratio N. So position, yes, our target what? Position vector of R is that simple, M of Q plus n of p by m plus n. I have m 2, q is a minus 1 1 1, n is a 1 and p is a 1 2 minus 1 by m plus n means 2 plus 1, and apply the values. It's 1 by 1, I just going minus 2 2 2 plus 1 2 minus 1 by 3. Now attach. Totally value getting minus 2 plus 1 means 1. Next 4. Next 1 by 3. It means 1 by 3. 1i plus 4j plus 1k. That is your first internal division, students, easily and happily done. Now I going to exterior divisions. I then externally divisions apply. Similarly, our second case is exterior, either externally division. Point same taking P and Q, but this time ratio, students, I will take minus 2 ratio 1. P I have 1 to minus 1 and Q minus 1 1 1, and same going position vector of R. Property same apply, minus 2 with the Q points, 1 with the 1 2 minus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 2 minus 2. These are product. 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 2 minus 1 by minus 1. Now you both additions, 2 plus 1 3, minus 2 plus 2 0 and minus 3. Again 3 0 and minus 3. Now divide minus 1, again you attach minus 3 0 3. So minus 3i 0j and 3k. That's your position vector of R. Students, easily done. Now 16th one. Since 16 asking that midpoint, yes, position vector of midpoint. Simple day going that. Question number now 16. Yes, 2 points given and define their position vector of midpoint. Find position vector of midpoint of P and Q. What is the P? 2 3 4 and Q 2 3 4 and Q is a 4 1 minus 2. Very easy. Students, you just first of all draw the segment P towards Q. P I have 2 3 4 and Q towards 4 1 minus 2, and that's the midpoint R. Consider R is a midpoint. So what is the ratio? 1 ratio 1 means P position plus Q positions by 2. So position vector of midpoint R, P plus Q by 2, both plus. So 2 3 4 4 1 minus 2 by 2. 2 3 4 and 4 1 minus 2 I just attached there. Students, my answer is 6 4 2 by 2. It means 3 2 1. So 3i plus 2j plus 1k. That's your position vector of R. Now students, question number 17, which is already repeated questions, so that I calculate, you self calculate, that I give you homework. Yes, 17 question, and look at that example number 12. Totally ditto, same as question. So 12 example and 17th one similarly. That's why I give you, you self calculate, and now I go to continue our 18th sum. Yes, already example 12 I explained in the last part, and ditto same copy questions. So I go to now 18th one. 18th have MCQ. Define which is not true. I mean false. According to our drawing, A to B directions given. Now B to C directions given. And A to C directions given that way. Here directions given A to C and B to C. Both are the attached here. So what is the correct? Yes, correct is AB plus BC is equal to AC. That's the correct. But now I define to option wise. There are 4 options. So I write down all 4 options. So first option is a AB plus BC plus CA. This is 0 vector. AB plus BC minus AC, 0 vector. Third, AB plus BC minus CA, 0 vector. And AB minus CB plus CA, 0 vector. Students, you first of all already known what is the correct. So this is a correct. Check. Option A, I just remove left to right side. Definitely it is cover minus CA. So can I write down AC? It is same as to correct. Yes, it is true. But I want to not true. Now second. So does the second you check this AC? Convert right side. It is surely you will go to only AC. That also correct. Yes, it is true. Now third, this minus CA I just moving right side. It is the CA, but I want to AC. It is minus AC. It means this statement is a false. It is false, and that's your answer, students. For because I target not true. And last one, if this minus BC, can I write down? It is plus BC. This I convert right side. So it is minus CA. Indirectly it is AC. And it is also true. That are, students, a correct answer. It is true. It means your option is only C. In your textbook, wrong answer printed. There are options 2 and 3 given. You just make the correction. Your correct option is a C. Now students, I am moving ahead. Our question number 19. Yes, 19 also same as one of the MCQ types questions. Now students, continue. Our last question for this exercise, 19th one. If A and B are two collinear vectors, yes, you know that collinear, then which of the following is incorrect? My target is incorrect, is not true. Our target achieved to collinearity. So this collinear factor you know, A is equal to KB, where K more than 0, then same direction, and if you K less than 0, then in opposite direction. Both of you cover in collinear, that you known. Check. A equal to lambda A, B is equal to lambda A for some scalar lambda. K is a, lambda is a scalar. Here K is also scalar. So yes, it is true. So that's not your answer. A is equal to plus or minus B. That also K taking plus or minus 1. That also true. Yes, it is true. It means A and B true answers. C taking respectively component A and B are not proportional. Read here, it is a proportional. We not write down here 1 by K. It is write down to K. It is proportional. Means C answer, your correct answer take for this question. It is not true. students? Yes, it is a component. A and B are not proportional. Actually, correct answer is it is a proportional. And last, D also check. Both the vectors A and B have the same directions, collinear, but different magnitude. Yes, both magnitude is different. Magnitude A and magnitude B is different. So here also, students, it is, yes, it is true. Finally, you can cover this is a true. This is also true. And that also true. It means your correct answer is what? C. It is a value for our A and B are not proportional. And here, students, your this question 19 C option is done. And this exercise, students, here stop and already completed that. So I stop this part, and further explanations for new topics in this chapter I going ahead in the next part. Bye bye.